Welcome, Class 11 Biology enthusiasts. Today, we embark on an exciting journey into the heart of cell life, the M phase. This critical stage of the cell cycle is where one cell dramatically divides into two, powering everything from your growth to healing wounds. We'll explore this fascinating process across four levels, from the basics of why cells divide to the intricate molecular machinery behind it. Get ready to uncover the secrets of cellular reproduction. Ready for the basics? Let's start by understanding what M phase is and why it's so fundamental to all living things. It's simpler than you think. M phase, short for mitotic phase, is the most visually dynamic part of the cell cycle. Think of it as the grand finale where a single cell splits into two. This entire process is neatly divided into two main acts. First, the nucleus divides, a process we call karyokinesis, and then, the cytoplasm itself separates, which is known as cytokinesis. Together, they ensure the creation of two brand new, independent cells. So, why is this cellular dance so vital? M phase is the engine behind several key biological functions. Firstly, it fuels growth. Your body gets bigger because your cells multiply through mitosis. Secondly, it's your body's repair crew, constantly replacing old or damaged cells, like when your skin heals after a cut. And for many simpler organisms, M phase is their way of reproducing, creating new individuals from a single parent cell. It's truly a cornerstone of life. Time to test your understanding of the basics. Think about what you've learned regarding the definition, importance, and main stages of M phase. Take a moment to answer these three practice questions. Good luck! Now, let's dive a little deeper into the M phase. We'll explore the specific events that unfold during each stage of nuclear and cytoplasmic division, giving you a clearer picture of this remarkable process. The M phase ensures that genetic material is perfectly distributed to each new cell, maintaining life's blueprint. Mitosis, the nuclear division, is a carefully choreographed sequence of four stages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Each stage has unique events that prepare the cell for separation. This precise process is fundamental for genetic continuity across generations of cells. Let's detail these stages. In prophase, chromosomes condense and the nuclear envelope breaks down. Metaphase sees chromosomes lining up perfectly at the cell's equator, ready for separation. Anaphase is the dramatic split, where identical sister chromatids move to opposite poles. Finally, in telophase, new nuclei form around these separated chromosomes, and they begin to decondense. It's a beautiful, intricate ballet of cellular components. Following nuclear division is cytokinesis, the division of the cytoplasm. This process differs between animals and plants. In animal cells, a cleavage furrow pinches the cell in two, much like tightening a drawstring. Plant cells, with their rigid cell walls, form a cell plate in the middle, which grows outwards to create new cell walls. This ensures each new cell has its own complete set of organelles and cytoplasm. Alright, you've absorbed more details about the M phase stages. Now, let's put that knowledge to the test with 5 practice questions. These will help solidify your understanding of the specific events in prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and cytokinesis. Give them your best shot. Ready to go even further? In the hard level, we'll analyze the intricate regulation of M phase, the molecular players involved, and the subtle but crucial differences in how plant and animal cells complete their division. The M phase isn't just a series of events, it's a tightly regulated process with critical checkpoints. The metaphase checkpoint, for instance, ensures every chromosome is perfectly attached to the spindle before anaphase begins, preventing errors in chromosome distribution. Key players like cyclin-dependent kinases, or CDKs, and cyclins act as molecular switches, driving the cell through these stages. Any misstep here can have serious consequences, even contributing to diseases like cancer. Let's delve into the molecular dance. During spindle formation, microtubules polymerase and attach to kinetochores on chromosomes, guiding their movement. In anaphase, a complex called APCC triggers the separation of sister chromatids by degrading a protein called securin, which in turn activates separase to cleave cohesin. This allows for the precise segregation of genetic material. Understanding these specific protein interactions is key to appreciating the accuracy of cell division. The final act, cytokinesis, shows fascinating evolutionary adaptations. Animal cells form a contractile ring of actin and myosin filaments that pinches the cell from the outside in, creating a cleavage furrow. Plant cells, however, build a new cell wall from the inside out using a cell plate, guided by a structure called the phragmoplast. These distinct mechanisms ensure that both cell types successfully divide while maintaining their structural integrity. Furthermore, understanding the distinction between nuclear division, karyokinesis, and cytoplasmic division, cytokinesis, is crucial, as in some cases, they can occur independently, leading to unique cellular structures. You've just tackled some complex concepts on M-phase regulation, molecular mechanisms, and detailed comparisons. Now, it's time to challenge yourself with 7 practice questions designed to assess your deeper understanding. Think critically and apply what you've learned. Welcome to the hardest level. Here, we'll unravel the most intricate molecular mechanisms governing M-phase, explore the precise engineering of chromosome segregation, delve into the consequences of errors, and touch upon its significant implications in fields like cancer research. Prepare for a truly competitive depth of knowledge. Entry into M-phase is orchestrated by MPF, a complex of cyclin B and CDK1, activated by specific phosphorylation and dephosphorylation events. This activation triggers a cascade, leading to nuclear envelope breakdown and chromosome condensation. Progression through metaphase is tightly controlled by the spindle assembly checkpoint, which ensures all kinetochores are properly attached to microtubules. Only then does the anaphase-promoting complex cyclosome, or APCC, become active, initiating the degradation of securin and cyclin B, thus triggering sister chromatid separation and exit from mitosis. This precise timing prevents catastrophic errors in chromosome distribution. The mitotic spindle is an exquisitely engineered machine. Kinetochore microtubules, powered by motor proteins like dynein and kinesin, pull chromosomes towards the poles, while interpolar microtubules, aided by other kinesins, push the poles apart, elongating the cell. Cohesin, a ring-like protein complex, holds sister chromatids together until anaphase, when separase cleaves it. This precise interplay of microtubules, motor proteins, and regulatory factors ensures that each daughter cell receives an exact copy of the genetic material, a feat of molecular engineering crucial for life. Cytokinesis also showcases remarkable cellular machinery. In animal cells, the contractile ring, composed of actin and myosin II, constricts the cell, guided by remnants of the central spindle. In plant cells, the phragmoplast, a transient microtubule-based structure, guides Golgi-derived vesicles to form the cell plate, which then expands outwards to create a new cell wall. A deep understanding of these distinct mechanisms highlights the evolutionary adaptations for cell division in different organisms. Errors in M-phase, particularly in chromosome segregation, can lead to aneuploidy, a state of abnormal chromosome numbers, which is a hallmark of many cancers and can result in developmental disorders. The precision of M-phase is paramount for genetic stability. The profound understanding of M-phase has revolutionized medicine, particularly in cancer therapy. Many chemotherapeutic drugs, like paclitaxel and vinblastine, target microtubule dynamics, disrupting spindle formation and effectively arresting cancer cells in mitosis, leading to their death. These drugs exploit the rapid division rate of cancer cells. Ongoing research continues to uncover new molecular targets within the M-phase machinery, paving the way for more specific and less toxic anti-cancer treatments. The legacy of M-phase research continues to impact human health and our understanding of life itself. You've delved into the deepest complexities of M-phase. Now, let's test your mastery with the first 5 challenging questions. These questions require a comprehensive understanding of molecular regulation, spindle mechanics, and the implications of M-phase processes. Take your time, think critically, and apply all the advanced concepts you've learned. Alright, let's continue to challenge your knowledge with the remaining 5 questions, from 6 to 10. These questions will further probe your understanding of therapeutic implications, comparative cytology, and the fine details of M-phase checkpoints and regulation. Push your limits and demonstrate your complete grasp of this intricate biological process. And that brings us to the end of our in-depth exploration of the M-phase. We've journeyed from the basic steps of cell division to the complex molecular mechanisms and their real-world implications. If you found this session insightful and want to continue mastering challenging topics, visit synapse.omaps.in for more incredible educational content. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing biology lessons. Keep learning, keep growing.